Hello, everyone. Today we're in Balances the car washing machine production base. We bring you a Mattias brand M-LM530 Longman reciprocating car washing machine. This car washing machine, on the basis of our original car washing machine, will ensuring the same width, reduce the size of an outside width, greatly reduce the area of an area. At the same time, it improves the safety of the equipment and the adaptive range of the vehicle. First of all, this machine comes with 2 side brushes, 2 skirt brushes and 1 top brush. The material of the brush is imported foam cotton from Japan. It is not easy to be contaminated with sand, with a self-cleaning effect, to prevent the brush with sand to scratch the body. At the same time, there is a profile modeling technology in our top brush, corresponding to the height of the body. We carry out a profile modeling of a cleaning. It's much cleaner when you wash the underside of the car. The whole frame of the machine is made of hot dip galvanizing process, which has a longer life of rust prevention. At the same time, there is a self-controlled computer inside the machine that checks itself when the machine starts up. At the same time, equipped with intelligent parking guidance system, equipped with AGV collision protection system. Car washing range of this machine is 2 meters high, 2 meters wide and 5.4 meters long. During the operation of the machine, there are cleaning, drying and water waxing. At the front end of the machine, we are equipped with 3 high voltage fans with large power. Here we can see the 3 fans on the front side. It adopts an inverted V-shaped design, which is more in line with the streamline of the body, and the water damage of the body can be dried more thoroughly. The above is a detailed introduction of our LM530 car washing machine. If you are interested, please leave a message in the comment section. Follow me, follow Mattias.